am heading to my house right now to go finish a little bit of this build. Beta's there right now. He's getting everything that he can done. I'm going back because I need a new tire. I'm literally showing wires all the way around on the left side, just some drifts and bullshit, but that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go grab this tire machine from my friend Demo, gonna get my tire changed, get a little bit of the bike build done, and I will catch you guys while I am there right now. So it's hot as fuck outside. I was wearing a windbreaker, I took it off, I put it in my back seat, and now it's caught on my sprocket. Fuck! The struggle. Alright guys, I got the tire machine. Time to change this fucking tire. Beta's already here in the Pilot's Club van. What's up, bud? Dude. Yeah. It's Demos. So check this out. I was just fucking at San Pedro Manal. I had a windbreaker on. And I fucking start to take off, like I put it in here like halfway through my ride, like while I was riding. Yeah. Yeah. A windbreaker. And fucking, it fell out, it went into my sprocket.
Oh no!
Yep.
Did it lock up?
No. But now I'm here and I gotta do the tire. Alright guys, update on a Beta 636 build. He's got the radiator in and he's done the clean air mod. So the clean air mod is just so that you keep oil out of going into the air box and locking up your motor. How you do that is you block off these valves here, run a tube like I have right here in my hand from the crankcase. That goes to a little, where's that? Goes to this filter here, which basically just stops it from like pouring an immense amount of oil while you're like at 12 o'clock or behind 12 o'clock if you're dragging out scrapes. And it just catches everything and allows your motor to breathe rather than blow up and just start dumping oil from fucking every seam and crack. Meanwhile, while he's getting down, I'm gonna get down on my bike and change that shit. You don't want that. Plus I got the fucking windbreaker caught up in my sprocket, so I gotta fix that shit.
Hey Charlotte. Hey Charlotte. Hey baby.
So I'll show you guys what else you need. For a tire change, you will need 1, tire spoons, a compressor with an actual fucking tire gauge so you can blow shit up. Tire chuck here. Put that on. A new tire or a new-ish, you know, as long as it works. And something to change it with or to break the bead. You can also do it by, if you took your wheel off, place it underneath the tire of a heavier vehicle, you can pop the bead that way, which I've done multiple times. But luckily, I have access to the tire change, debeater, so that makes it a lot easier. Get started right now. Woo! That was really in there. Oh, really in there. Here we go. No more here.
I loop around this bitch 3 times. Make sure you see my ride before I step inside. That hard top 65, oh yeah, that's mine. My homeboy sick painted it. Lowrider magazine made it famous on them pages. Posing like a playmate lady. Andretti, blessing stages, collecting bags. Large duffels, reward for my hustle. Yes, I love the cash, it's obvious. Money been my bottom, bitch. Always got me everything I want with no problem. Quick.
Alright guys, once you have the wheel off, everything is good, take your sprocket off, put it back onto this this debeater, and make sure you don't have any air in your system, so let's do that. Move up the outside. Almost there. Almost there. Fuck this heat. Fuck it. You know what? Bam.
We just go. We don't know no limit. We just go. We don't know no limit. We just go. We don't know no limit. So is you bout it? To go. We don't know no limit. So is you bout it? The gold crowd around it, and tell everyone that live in your hometown about it. Gonna roll up that good weed, I put about a pound in, and get high as the mountains. I remember.
So only thing left to do once you put a new tire on is, of course, you got to break it in. And we're gonna go break it in by doing some circles out in the front yard. So let's get started.
If you love this choice out to me, don't tell me what you got, girl, baby, please tell me what you need. Well, I must confess, I've been blessed, but I'll never say never. Cause I could die today, but this music lives forever.
My nigga, we gon' slide.
Shout out to all the real niggas wanna see me eat. I gave a pack of condoms, told her be a fee. Had to go to jail to get my GD. 19 for the pack, I'ma sell it 3 apiece. 100 bags of guard for the King Henry. Cut the check, I bet you I bring the streets with me. These niggas talking chicken, never seen.
What's up, guys? This is one of the final steps of this build. Is we got everything wired up. Abeta's actually on his way now to go get his tank filled up with a little bit of gas so we can start it. So everything's running, make sure everything's okay. We have coolant filled up, oil filled up, everything's connected. It's just time to hit the gas and see if this thing turns over. It should. All right, we got all the wiring, everything's hooked up, ready to go, ground, everything's in place. So now all we have to do, we connect to the tank, put some fuel in there, put some fluid in the radiator, and now all we have to do is turn it on and have it turn over. Food break, because that shit's fucking annoying.
Meal
With honey mustard.
with honey mustard.
That's it.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh. What do you want to drink?
I got that half gallon.
Oh no, sorry, just the lemonade that we got. Got any sides? He said.
No.
No thanks.
Van life. Woo!
Make sure it's filming.
A bunch of smoke and shit. That's all. That's definitely all the degreaser. Cause look, it's coming right off the heads.
Is it?
Yeah. Damn, bro. Well, here's your bike.
I kind of like the silver tank.
I like the silver tank too.
Do you?
Yeah. Oh, what do you guys think? Silver tank.
Or black looks like.
Silver tank, the powder, and the red lines with red hoses, red brake lines. We have all these right here. Hell, shout out to Nate, the six shot. Can't fucking talk. Yeah, this thing looks nice, dude. Now all we have to do is hook up the odometer, put the cages on, sub cages on, rear wheel. What's going on with the rear wheel? We need a spacer for the sprocket side that we lost, and then that is it. Put the chain on and test drive it. What's up, guys? So today we just got finished with the Beta's bike somewhat. We got it turned over, turned on, everything's running right, electrical, everything is good. The only thing left to do is brake lines, find that wheel spacer. What else? He's got to get his handbrake and everything still, but for the most part it's like ready to go. Aside from his handbrake setup coming in, he has everything he needs in order to ride. I mean, he could at least do some foot brake stuff. So what's going on here? Once that comes in, everything will be finalized and the bike will be ready to go. As for the video, I have so much footage already of just we've built, so I'm gonna make this the first part of the video, and then I will bring the second part. The second part will be following up everything like putting cages on, doing small things to your bike that work for a stunt rider. Like I have specific ways I set up a handbrake, specific ways I run, like it's just all preference stuff, like depending on where you put your kill switch, that kind of thing. Like I have my kill switch right underneath my frame, so that way like no one can touch it. There's no possibility of me kicking it if I'm like if I'm in high chair or like whenever I'm pulling through. So, oh damn, it's gonna rain. I can smell it. So yeah, the second video will just be covering like preferences as to setting up a stunt bike. Since we got the basic structure of the bike already set up, I'll make the second part just covering like I said, stunt rider preference setups. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching part 1 of this video. I'm gonna edit it tonight, try and get it out by tomorrow. It's Sunday, so hopefully we have it out to you guys tomorrow, man. I really appreciate all your support. Damn, it's starting to come down. I really appreciate all your guys' support. Really, thank you guys so much. I have a couple shirts dropping this week as well, so I'll probably leave. I'll be dropping everything on Instagram. Any kind of clothing or anything like that that's going to be dropping will be announced through Instagram, not really so much YouTube videos, but I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. This is Street Pilot Chad. I will catch you guys in the second part later.